on the wall glowing softly, with 7 clear columns wrapping around a central core. At first glance, it looks more like a piece of modern tech than a medical aid. This is the AstraPill Vertical MedStation, a weekly medication hub designed to make daily dosing simpler, cleaner, and more dignified. The architecture starts with one big idea: go vertical. Traditional Monday-Sunday trays spread out across the counter, taking up space and constantly reminding you they're there. This design flips that thinking literally by building upward. 7 transparent reservoirs form a compact honeycomb around a central column, using height instead of width to free up precious space on bathroom vanities and nightstands. The result is a small footprint with a strong visual presence. At the top of the tower sits the main control, a rotary indexing cap. Think of it like the dial on a high-end audio system. You place your hand on the smooth top surface, feel the subtle facets under your fingers, and gently rotate. As you turn the cap, it clicks into 7 precise positions, one for each day of the week. Those soft detents are doing real work inside the core. They're mechanically aligning a single reservoir with the internal dispensing channel, while the other 6 remain completely sealed. Move your attention down to the transparent columns themselves. Each one represents a full day's supply of pills, held within a hexagonal tube that catches the light and shows the contents clearly. This honeycomb arrangement isn't just beautiful, it's efficient. The tightly packed geometry maximizes internal volume while keeping the device slim. At a glance, you can see how your week is filled, from almost any angle, without opening lids or guessing which compartment is which. It transforms medication from something you hide in a drawer into a visible, reassuring part of your daily routine. Once the correct day is selected, dispensing becomes a simple two-step ritual: select, then press. On the side of the tower is a soft touch button. Positioned right where your thumb naturally rests, a gentle press activates an internal gate, located beneath the active reservoir. Inside, 1 pill drops from the day's tube into a metering cavity and then falls through a smooth, gravity-fed chute. The motion is controlled and repeatable: no shaking, no rattling, no fumbling with tiny flaps. This separation between the selector at the top and the trigger on the side adds an extra layer of safety. A bump or knock won't inadvertently release pills, because deliberate actions are required. At the bottom of the tower, that gravity-fed journey ends in one of the design's most user-friendly elements: the detachable collection cup. Instead of pinching small pills out of shallow trays, you simply detach the cup and tip it directly into your mouth or hand. This is especially helpful for people with arthritis, tremors, or reduced dexterity. They no longer need a precise pincer grasp, just a straightforward, whole hand motion. And because pills are never touched while they're stored and moved through closed channels, the system keeps medication cleaner and more hygienic from fill to consumption. All of this is anchored by the structural spine at the back. Here, the MedStation becomes not just a product but a permanent fixture in your routine. A hybrid mounting system combines a clean adhesive pad for mirrors and tiles with a built-in hanging loop that slips onto a simple screw or hook. Whether you live in a compact apartment or a busy family home, you can position the station exactly where it fits naturally, next to the coffee maker for morning doses, near the bathroom mirror for nighttime meds, or beside the bed for everything in between. Once mounted, the device has a home in your space, so it's easy to see, hard to misplace, and always ready when you are. The modular construction also makes living with the device easier over time. The upper reservoir cluster can be separated from the mechanical base, allowing you to wash the pill compartments thoroughly without exposing springs, buttons, or adhesives to water. This keeps the system fresh and hygienic and encourages long-term use rather than disposal and replacement. Together, these elements create more than just a pill organizer. The AstraPill Vertical MedStation is a vertical, gravity-driven medication station that eliminates counter clutter and fiddly pinching. In its place, it offers a calm, cup-based ritual, a clean modern aesthetic, and a wall-mounted presence that quietly supports adherence every single day. It is medication management reimagined not as a chore, but as a thoughtful, integrated part of a well-designed life.